Wow. You weren't kidding about these breadsticks, Dad.
I wouldn't lie to you. 3 times in the same day.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing cheesy garlic breadsticks. Real easy, real delicious, so let's get started. We're going to start off with a 8x12 baking dish. We're going to hit it with some good non-stick. Get it coated well. I've got 1 packet of pre-made dough from Pillsbury, pizza dough that is. Lays in there perfectly. Just spread out the rest of the way with your fingers. Try and get it as even as possible. And once we have that spread out, we're going to set that to the side. And get a nice mixing bowl with 1 softened stick of butter. 3 cloves of garlic. I like the paste. You can use minced or whatever you have. About a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil. And then we'll take our hand mixer and we're going to whip this up. While I'm doing that, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about us. Leave a comment if you can. It really helps. I really appreciate it. So once we have the butter whipped up nice and mixed, we're going to bring our dough back out. And we're going to spread that flavorful butter all over the top of our dough. Try and get it as even as possible. And once we have all of our pizza dough coated with the garlic butter, we're going to top it off with some Sargento whole milk shredded mozzarella cheese. You want to use whole milk. That gives you the best flavor. So we'll get that nicely coated. And then lastly, we're going to add some nice chopped up parsley right on top of the cheese. I've got my oven preheated to 425 degrees. So once we have all the parsley on there, we're going to pop this into the oven for between 18 and 20 minutes. Your oven may vary, so keep an eye on it. When it gets nice and bubbly brown, that's when you're going to pull it out. Once I took mine out, I hit it with a little bit of more mozzarella on top. Let it rest. And got my pizza cutter out, and we're just going to cut it into strips. And then we'll go once long ways. And there are your cheesy garlic pizza sticks, ready to go for any occasion. These are great. They're better than any pizzeria you get, and they're freshly made at home. All right, thanks for watching, and come back soon.